Next topic from the reaction mechanism is aliphatic electrophilic substitution reaction. The definition is, in these reactions an electrophile is displaced from an aliphatic carbon, or in other words, one electrophile is substituted by another electrophile is called electrophilic substitution reaction. Mainly these are three types. They are Se1, Se2 and SEI. First type is Se1 for aliphatic compounds or electrophilic substitution unimolecular reaction for aliphatic compound. Example for Se1 is acid catalyzed alpha bromination of ketone. Reaction is ketone reacts with bromine molecule in presence of acid. It gives alpha haloketone or alpha bromo ketone along with hydrogen bromide. Mechanism is ketone having C double bond O. The H plus is attacking on the keto oxygen, converting to protonated ketone. It means carbon has positive charge. In the next step, by eliminating H plus from the carbon, alpha carbon, because of the neighboring carbon of the keto group is called alpha carbon, the H plus is removing from the alpha carbon, it becomes enol, means the double bond between two carbons and one alcohol is present on the functional group carbon, where the bromine molecule reacts with enol. It means one bromine having positive charge and another bromine having negative charge. Positive charge means electrophile, negative charge means nucleophile. The bromine molecule, positive bromine or electrophile, is attacking on this carbon, and the electron density of oxygen migrate to this carbon. By eliminating hydrogen bromide from this compound, we get alpha bromo ketone in first step. That means the rate of the above reaction depends on only substrate, means keto group, and does not depend on bromine molecule. Therefore, it exhibits first order kinetics. That's why it is named as unimolecular. One electrophile is substituted by another electrophile. It means electrophilic substitution. Totally, the reaction is unimolecularly electrophilic substitution reaction for the aliphatic compounds. And the rate is directly proportional to substrate or keto group. In rate determining step, the conversion of protonated ketone into enol. So this is regarding Se1. And next, second category is Su2 for the aliphatic compounds. Bimolecular electrophilic substitution reaction for aliphatic compound. Example is carbon having four different groups such as A, B, D and X, where the electrophile is attacking on this compound. It gives inversion of configuration. It means the electrophile is attacking on the back side of carbon, means inversion of configuration. So let us see the mechanism for the above reaction is, so it is the actual compound. The electrophile is attacking not from the front side, it is attacking from the back side of the carbon. It gives one transition state. It denotes sq2 back because of the electrophile is attacking from the back side of the carbon and exact opposite to the leaving group. X is leaving group, A is attacking group. So now the result is E is attacking from the backside of the carbon, gives new compound by along with leaving group. So in this reaction, the second order kinetics is exhibited because of the rate of the above reaction depends on both the substrate and the reagent. Individually they exhibits single order or first order reaction. The total order is second order reaction. So that the rate is directly proportional to substrate and reagent. This reaction leads to inversion of configuration where electrophile attacks the electron density of the bond between carbon and a leaving group from the rear side of the leaving group. Therefore, this mechanism is also known as SE2 back mechanism. Attack from the front is prevented by steric hindrance. Next, third category is SEI mechanism for the aliphatic compound. Here also the carbon having 4 different groups like A, B, D and X. This compound reacts with one reagent as YZ, means Y is electrophile, Z is nucleophile. I am denoting as where Y is electrophilic part and Z is nucleophilic part. Where Y place means electrophile is attacking from the front side of the carbon. It gives retention of configuration. It means exactly the electrophile substituted by another electrophile in the same position is called retention of the configuration. This reaction also exhibit second order kinetics is the same as SE2 mechanism. It takes place with retention of configuration. Electrophilic part of the reagent attacks the aliphatic carbon from the same side of the leaving group. So this is regarding electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.